Hey, Jay here, and thanks for stopping by. So it was time for me to replace my lint trap, clean my washing machine, and clean my wash tub. On top of that, my machine had developed a dirty, smelly mildew smell. Now after each wash, I usually try to leave the lid up, but I think that a lot of my family members don't do the same thing. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. Our washing machines tend to build up lots of grime, in turn leaving behind detergent, hard water deposits, mold, and mildew. That is what creates the smell. That's why it's also important to have regular maintenance with your machine. By the way, if you're liking this video so far, be sure to give me a thumbs up. Lint traps collect lint and hair, preventing them from getting on your clothes and clogging up your drains. Also, don't let the lint trap get too full of lint because water gets everywhere, including the floors. Lint traps can be purchased from a Home Depot or even a Walmart. They come in two different fabrics, nylon and stainless steel. When cleaning your washing machine, there are all sorts of products that are out there to clean with. I just prefer to use vinegar and baking soda for the most part. The vinegar helps with sanitizing, and the baking soda helps with the smells that can be prevented in your washing machine. It's important to remember to clean the entire machine from the gasket to the drum. Finally, to avoid bacteria or mold, leave your lid open after every use. I know this seems like a lot, but did you know that we really should be cleaning the inside of our washing machine at least once a week? I know, but that also depends on how many times or how much you use the washing machine. And now look at my machine. It's all clean and smelling fresh. Until next week. Be sure to turn on your notifications for future videos similar to this one. Well, I hope this video was helpful. Be sure to check out more videos like this one. I will leave a link in the description box below. Be sure to like this video because it really helps my channel. Share it with someone because sharing is caring. Subscribe to my channel if this is the type of content that you like, and I'll see you guys in the next one.